got the car keys. You
Close
put
the
your.
door.
It'll do. It'll
Close
close.
the door.
It'll close, right?
Oh,
That's it. There you go. Grazie.
thank you.
Okay, here's.
Can you get
Two.
another charger? I charge it on both.
Why not? This registration EU GW 4454, and then the camera takes the photo of the number plate, and then we have to go to the machine come in the car park and put the number on the machine. Okay. I might have to use a card. So press English, Lucas. Here.
Let me see.
Let's press English.
Let's
I don't want to say that. Accept. Accept. Oh, so go back. 5 is 5-4. So we need to go back. Oh, so you have to start again now. Quick, start again. He's putting the registration. Accept. Card or cash? I'm paying by card.
I'm paying by cash.
So push card. Visa or Master. Card. Yeah, bank card. Here's a bank card. Insert the bank card. That's it. Wait for instructions. Card reader is. Please wait. Approved. Remove the card. Remove the card, please. Okay. Yes, receipt. Okay. That's not us, I think. Oh, that's a receipt. That's a receipt. Now we go to the car. Right. So you paid. Wow, that's cool. Right. Now the gate will open as we approach the gate. We got 10 minutes to get to the car and to go.
Go?
Yeah. Transit, 7 minutes, and it costs you about 20 euros return. Marconi Station.